Hey traders, I want to share with you today the one stock that I think is the biggest bubble right now, and I believe is in massive bubble territory, and I believe we're going to see at least a 50% retracement of the 800% increase over the last 12 months or so that it's had. Absolutely just crazy. It's had an 800% increase over the last 12 months or so, and I believe we are getting ready for a peaking in the top. This is bubble territory right now, guys, and I want to share with you exactly what I'm seeing. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, guys, if you need help with your trading, with the foundation that goes into a good trader, chart reading strategies, trading systems, mindset, stuff like that, grab that free trading course in the link below. You're going to get, I'm normally charged, I don't know, $300 or something for it. You're going to get it for free today. So get access to it. Now, what I'm talking about here is I'm talking about Tesla. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. If I look at this here, what we're looking at right now is we're looking at the all the different car companies. Now I know Tesla's not just a car company; we've got batteries and so on and so forth. But guys, if you look at any history, if you look at over history and over anything out there, you would know and you'll be able to see that if something starts to go vertical, it starts to become very, 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 very scary to be long that market, because it's now in bubble territory, right? We've done too much price in a short period of time, and so what generally happens is that now we need an adjustment. That's exactly what happened with Bitcoin. The reason why Bitcoin crashed from 20,000 down to, I think it was around around 7 to 5, and then went sideways, then went down to 3, was because it went up too quickly, right? So if we're looking at this here, this is Tesla's here. This is the largest automotive by market capitalization 2019 worldwide. This is the annual sales here. Toyota, let's actually zoom in here. As you can see, that Toyota did 10.6 million, Tesla did 375,000. BMW did 2.5 million, and so on and so forth, right? I won't bore you with the details there, but you can see what's going on here. Now, if I zoom out just a little bit more again, you can see the different car companies, the ones that the one that is sort of above everything else, the 225. Actually, if I zoom back in again, you'll be able to see so you got, there we go through there. All right, cool. That's actually perfect. So you got Honda is valued at 54 billion. You have BMW valued at 59 billion. You have, let's actually just go to Volkswagen, and you got Toyota. Toyota valued at 225 billion, and then you got Tesla is worth $560 billion. Now, this is just absolutely insane. Now, I know that Michael Burry has also started short this company, and I wasn't really worried about Michael Burry shorting it or not shorting it. To me, it's that doesn't tell me that this stock is in the bubble. Looking at the price action, right? We talk about something like an 800% increase with the price action. And if I look at the actual chart itself, this is the chart here, right? This is the chart from there to there. And in fact, if you actually go from the mid lows, the price was, the lowest point it was in 2019 was $38. $38 to where it is right now. This is over 1,600% return. 1,600% return. I said 800%. I said 800% increase. 800% increase would have been something like somewhere around about here, right? And it's just crazy. And in fact, if we have a look at actually if we have a look at from there to there, yeah, we're still looking at over 800% increase from that point there to that point there. It's still a massive, massive move when we're actually looking at Tesla. Tesla right now is in a massive, massive bubble. Now, I don't believe that Tesla is going to come back down towards its lows, back down to 150. I don't believe we're going to see a crash. But I honestly do believe that right now we're getting so well overvalued when it comes to Tesla. Now, just so you guys know, I'm not a bear. I'm not 100% bear on Tesla. I actually made a good trade on Tesla. me and my private clients, we actually entered Tesla right here on this little breakaway bar here, and we exited right here. So we're not in this, but we actually made a nice little trade here. Some people bought the stock, some people bought the options, but we made a nice little trade there. So I'm not 100% bear on Tesla. I made a nice little profit here on a short-term trade that me and my private clients did. But by looking at the very big picture, looking at the weekly chart, looking at this absolute massive picture here, I'm starting to see, or if you actually can see here, this was actually my projection. I had a projection of 600. I got to there. Therefore, we got out and we were happy with that. But you can see here that just by looking at this chart, you can see that we are absolutely indeed starting to get into bubble territory. Now, I do believe, guys, we're getting so overvalued through here that at least I see a retracement back towards maybe a support line through there somewhere. An absolute long-term support line would be sort of relevant. I would say looking at through there. Yeah, that's not even something through there, is it? No, that's nothing through there. So I do see something coming back through here, guys, or some sort of retracement coming back through here. Let me actually just draw another trend line, just sort of seeing where we actually probably would get a pullback to. There we go. So maybe even something going on through there as well too. There could be something going on through there. So to see Tesla have a nice pullback towards these levels through here around 450 or something like that, wouldn't be a big issue. Now, obviously, a normal sort of an equilibrium for this here would be obviously a drop, say around, a 50% retrace around 350. As you can see, a drop through there. So this whole thing, guys, is that even though Tesla may be worth 650, but is it worth $650 per share right now? No, right? No, it's like where Tesla may be worth $650 per share in 2022, not 2020. And so right now we have just gone astronomical bull market to the upside. And again, guys, I'm going to say it again, that I'm not 100% bear on Tesla. I wasn't, because I actually had a beautiful trading setup. And so I traded it and made a very nice move out of Tesla. Very nice profit out of Tesla. But right now, guys, we are just getting absolutely insanely bullish. Like, look at this vertical move to the upside. This is Bitcoin prices. And you know what happened with Bitcoin? Right, anytime you see any chart, like this is the sort of thing that, what's the word for it? I'm just thinking about different things out there, right? So this is the whole thing about, when looking at the stock market, guys, whenever you see anything go vertical for a long time, we're getting in very, very, very dangerous territory. And so I would be, guys, if you're looking to buy Tesla right now, my recommendation, again, I can't tell you what to do, but my recommendation is to not do it. And if you do it, make sure you have very low risk. No more than 2% of your portfolio right now should be buying Tesla, or 2% risk on your entire account should be buying Tesla. And also make sure you have a tight sort of stop in place as well too, because this thing could be halved in the next 12 months. And if the stock market does go through a little bit of a pullback, like the S&P 500, if we do start to see a little bit of this is the S&P 500. If we do start to see a little bit of a pullback, not 100% crash, but if we do see a little bit of a pullback in the S&P 500, maybe even down towards, maybe a long-term trend line down here, that's still a nice little pullback, then we're probably likely to see the overall stock market start to drop as well too. So that's the S&P 500. If we go to the Dow as well too, the Dow's long-term support line through there. So we could get a bit of a pullback in the stock market. I'm not saying we are, but if we do get some sort of a pullback in the markets, which can happen very, very quickly, I don't believe that that's going to be the top in the stock market. I think if we do get a drop, we're going to pull back up. But the whole thing, guys, is that Tesla right now is a massive caution, massive stock bubble. And this is the one stock, guys, that I'm telling you right now that you should stay absolutely away from right now. Look for much better opportunities when it comes to trading the stock market. And because right now, Tesla is just way out of control. And I truly believe that we are likely to see some sharp pullback out of Tesla. Something's going to happen with Tesla that's going to cause the stock market to have a very, very sharp pullback. So be careful, guys. Be very, very, very careful. And as I said before, please listen to me. I know a lot of people out there right now are jumping on the euphoria bandwagon, right? The euphoria bandwagon. And the euphoria bandwagon is when something's going crazy, everyone wants to jump onto it, okay? That's not the right time. Wait for at least a good, if you want to buy a Tesla, wait for a nice pullback to 450 or 400. That'd be much, much better buying opportunity. So anyway, guys, risk small, risk small. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.